Hey folks, welcome back to Thursday Cook with Kevin special edition. So for the next 3 weeks, I'm going to have meals sent to us by HelloFresh. This week, we are doing the roasted garlic and rigatoni.
Chicken rigatoni.
Well, they can read that when they read it. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, I got my water boiling, cook our pasta. We're going to let that cook for about 10 minutes until it's tender. Woo, steamy glasses. Okay, next, I've already done the peppers and the chicken. They say about an inch for each. For the chicken, we're just going to add half of this Italian seasoning. We're going to keep half this when we do tomatoes. Now we are going to put, oh yeah, preheat your oven to 425. And about a tablespoon of olive oil minus the lid. And peel any labels off. Put it on the pepper. I missed that. And then we're just going to spread them out. There's also 3 cloves of garlic.
Loaves, cloves.
Cloves. I said cloves.
It sounded like loaves.
No, I said cloves. We'll find out when we play the video back. Okay, you put them on alongside. All right. Now we're going to do the same thing with that chicken. So I love this cutting board.
Mm-hmm. It's a Pampered Chef cutting board.
Same thing, but a teaspoon of olive oil. Nice thing about these meals is they come all, they're pre-packed, portioned. Now I had to cook. I had to cut the chicken. You want to make sure your chicken is spread out.
Come over in the camera a little bit because you're off to the side a little bit. I can't quite see. There we go.
You just want to spread it. And this is going in. It says here on the instructions for about 10 to 12 minutes, but you want to make sure that chicken is cooked, so it could be a little bit longer. Okay. Now while that's in there, we are going to take the tomatoes, what do they call it? Tomato sauce. We're going to make the sauce. So we're going to heat it in a medium pot. And we're going to add the remaining Italian seasoning. Okay, well that's heating up. Clean off my
These grapes are yummy.
yeah. The nice thing about this too, because it all comes prepackaged, does not take long to prepare. Well, kind of like the last ones that I had from make good food. What was
Good
it?
food. Yeah.
Good food. Yeah. Yeah.
We have one more company to try that we'll try in a few
Yeah.
days.
So what they say here, they just a roughly chopped spinach. And helps when you got a nice sharp knife. Believe it or not, we bought this knife from the dollar store, but we also bought a sharpener, and the sharpener works really good. As you can see, I'm not a paid professional chef, so
You can't have grapes, buddy. No,
no.
little boys can't have grapes. Nope.
And that, my friends, is it for now until the chicken is done, the sauce is heated, and the pasta is done. We will bring you back. Okay, now we gotta go and take the garlic out of the oven. Whew. Heat.
Look at the size of these grapes. Holy cow.
Peel those. Okay. And we're gonna come put them in tomato sauce. And mash the garlic in. So we're just mashing the garlic in. And it's the only thing I hate about tomato sauce is that if you're too quick with it, it ends up everywhere. Okay, so when chicken's ready to come out, we'll be back. All right, chicken and the Peppers are done. In my pot. And those are useless. Yeah, add our sauce. Pasta. Our spinach, and we're going to go back over the stove. Heat it up. And we're going to do this for 2-3 minutes until the spinach starts wilting down. We'll bring you back when we're ready to plate. We're back. It is done. It smells good.
Looks good.
Smells good.
I said it looks good.
And I said it smells good.
I said look.
I said it smells. Here and top it off. Nice Parmesan cheese. That.
Forks over
I
here.
think I already have a fork.
You want? We'll taste this at the table though. We'll,
Okay, we'll taste it at the table. All right. What's up, Mr. Brody? Yeah.
no, you're not having any, dude.
Smells good. Help us get some, a little bit of chicken, a little bit of everything in here.
Tasty.
Yeah, it's hot though too.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice flavor. Not overly, spicy, like very
Actually,
nice.
it's more on the
mild.
mild.
Yeah, very nice mild tomato sauce with, the peppers, and the peppers are done. Honestly, the peppers are done just perfectly. They're not quite mushy. So that's it for this week.
Okay, one more thing.
What?
You put your first video on your own channel.
Yeah, my driving video.
So, how about putting the link in the description of this video?
I could.
Yeah.
I could. But I'm not posting the cooking with Kevin will stay on Kelly's channel. That's not the purpose. My other one, I just have it. I was doing some testing with my computer, creating a video.
creates it a lot faster than the old computer.
Plus, you're gonna get like crazy drivers and
Oh
that
yeah,
kind of
well I
stuff.
already had one. I had a lady cut me right off when I was pulling into the parking lot at Safeway.
Yeah, so you're gonna try and get some of that kind of stuff on your channel.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
So
All right.
yeah, that's it. So that's one episode out of 3, and the next one we'll be doing will be the beef, and no, actually not. We're probably going to be doing the soup. Yeah,
Okay.
I think we're going to do the soup, and then we'll do the chimichangas
Okay.
for the last episode. So, okay, that's it, folks. Thank you very much for joining us, and we'll see you next week.